ओके, तो अभी हमें तो ये पता चला कि इनके प्लान्स तो बहुत अच्छे हैं। ये चाहते हैं कि कुछ एक्सपर्ट्स इनके साथ जॉइन करें और फिर बाद में वो जो एजुकेशन है, जो लाइफ स्किल्स का है, वो प्रॉपरली सबकी लाइफस्टाइल में आ जाए। ये रियलिटी बन जाए जहाँ बच्चे पूरी तरह से तैयार होके बाहर निकले, जो लाइफ की किसी भी सिचुएशन को फेस कर सकेंगे। तो अब अंकिता और नगा, मेरा आपसे ये सवाल है कि क्या आप लोग ऑन ग्राउंड जा कर के काम करते हैं, या आपका क्या सिस्टम है जहाँ से आप लोग ये काम कर रहे हैं? दूसरा, आपने अभी तक जो किट्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किए, जो 500 होंगे या जैसा भी किया है, तो फ्यूचर में आपका क्या प्लान है? आर यू गोइंग टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द सेम टाइप्स ऑफ किट्स, और हाउ इज इट गोइंग टू बी?
So Amita, we have so far distributed over 6,000 kits within Bombay, and with
6,000.
6,000, over 6,000
Okay, okay, good.
kids within Bombay,
Mhm.
and we have managed it to distribute it on ground initially during April and March, when only food drives were happening, because obviously ration was the biggest thing that people were suffering. Food was very important. We made sure that we collaborated with the food drives so that people are getting ration, and along with it, like the kids that are coming there also, or parents who are coming to collect the ration, they also get the kit for the child. So that's how we started distributing the physical kits. We also went on ground, we distributed it,
Okay.
our team went on ground and did
Mhm.
it. So we did it for at least till August, September. We continued distributing kits, and then when things started opening up, we also collaborated with other NGOs
Okay.
like
So
Kotak.
you mean to say this all 6,000 kits which you have donated or distributed was in the part of last year pandemic, right?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Right.
And this
Okay.
was distributed either through food drives, because when we started, we did not have like our own community, like how NGO adopts a certain community. We did not have them. So we were distributing it either through food drives or association with NGOs such as Kotak Education Foundation or Robin Hood Academy and Learning Spaces. So they were like different NGOs we collaborated with. We made sure that because they had a certain community, Noble Foundation, so we reached out to them, we reached out to their children and distributed these kits. And there were certain schools as well, like certain government schools. We reached out to the principals, and there also we conducted a drive where kids can come and collect their kids on ground. So
Mm-hmm.
yes, I mean, it started, everything happened on ground, and we also went and distributed the physical kits.
Right. So how about the future plan? I mean, are you planning to do anything for this year?
Yeah, so this year itself, like the kids are, like Anagha initially stated, the kids were, they are ever evolving. Like every time we send, because we don't want that if it's reaching out to a certain community, they shouldn't be like, it's the same kid. And one
Hmm.
kid has like 25 to 26, 28 pages. So, it's like good enough for a month. And
Right.
make sure that month or 2 months, even if they do it slowly. So we keep changing the content. There is new content, and we put a lot of life skills into it, because at the end of the day, we also want to introduce life skills through the curriculum, the little curriculum that we are developing. So we keep introducing those things. There are different kind of games. There are shoe tying activity that we thought we'll make it on a cardboard and give them a lace, and they can learn to tie shoes, because something as small as that. So basic activities, basic games, we keep thinking of what are the different games can be included. So these are the physical kits. We make sure that we keep evolving. And this year also we plan to send out certain kits, because every time we speak to people and the little researchers and what we read in newspaper, despite things being okay, like I'm talking about pre-March, where things had opened up, but schools were still not open. These children were still not getting education. And at least as the reports say in the news, that it seems like even until next March, it just looks difficult for things to get back to normal. So we don't want people and these children especially to suffer. So we are working towards it, that what are the things that we can do. And even like we were also, as a future plan, we were also thinking that we can have our own community now. uh, the second wave is like almost over, so things are a little better, people are vaccinated. So if we can have our own community where we can look after them, those children, and do if certain people have let's say devices which can be shared, and we can impart certain life skills through experts, through online classes, we would love to do that. We are already doing that currently with Kotak Foundation, but to do it in a certain community, so we are also working towards that.
अमिता, लग रहा कि जैसा फूड डिलीवरी डोर स्टेप में होता ना, ये लोग तो एजुकेशन डोर स्टेप तक लेके आ रहे.
That was the plan.
करेक्ट. एक्चुअली मैं अभी वही पूछने वाली थी मतलब अनिका और अंकिता से कि कैसा लगता है जब हम ये सब कर रहे होते हैं, जैसे कि with all the pandemic which was never planned, with all the situations which was never ever thought कि हम कभी घर के अंदर बंद हो के भी रहेंगे और बच्चों को बाहर नहीं भेजेंगे, तो एजुकेशन इज बैडली अफेक्टेड, नॉट लिटिल, मतलब थोड़ा सा नहीं, बहुत ज़्यादा बुरी तरह से इम्पैक्ट हुआ है. तो शायद आप लोगों का जो ये स्टेप है, ये थोड़े बच्चों को थोड़ी सी उम्मीद तो ज़रूर देता होगा कि हम कुछ कर सकते हैं. सो दैट्स अ ग्रेट फीलिंग एक्चुअली, एंड दैट्स अ ग्रेट लर्निंग फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस एज वेल कि आप शुरुआत कहीं से भी करिए, बस शुरुआत करिए. बस ये जस्ट डोंट वेट कि हम कुछ बड़ा करेंगे, हमें कुछ अच्छा करना है. जो भी करो वही अच्छा होता है और वहीं से शुरुआत हो जाती है.
इस वीडियो से भी यही सीख अगर लोग सीख रहे हैं ना, तो यही सीखना चाहिए कि डोंट वेट नो टिल द गवर्नमेंट कम्स डज समथिंग फॉर अस एंड वी जस्ट कीप डिबेटिंग ऑन दिस, isn't it? I think everyone who will view this video, they should have an interrogation within themselves कि मैं भी क्या कर रही हूँ, मुझे भी कुछ करना है. अगर नहीं भी करना है तो ऐसे बच्चे जो अभी बाहर आ रहे कर रहे, उनको जो भी हेल्प या मदद दे सकते हैं, आई थिंक दे शुड बी एक्सटेंडिंग दैट हेल्प, isn't it? So I wish you both all the best.
Thank you so much.
And we wish that your community grows as much as you think of it. मतलब there should not be a limit of the growth of that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I just wanted to add, like, small shout out to all the NGOs who helped us and tied up with us, because if it was not for them, I don't think we would have been able to reach the amount of children that we reached. The help, of other NGOs to help us also was a big thing, and our volunteers, of course, who have been with us all these months.
It's all the matter of gratitude, because आप लोग वो feel कर रहे हैं ना, तो it is getting transferred to other people. वो transmission automatically हो रहा है. That's how this community is getting built.
Do these kids respond, Anaga? Like जो आपने किसी को किट भेजा और उसने आपको फिर रीच करने की कोशिश करे, ऐसा कुछ हुआ है?
So they don't, because I don't, utna the communication is not developed, but sometimes we do get photos, of colored worksheets and things like that. So we know that, okay, they are accepting towards it. And when, especially when that on-ground team goes for distribution and we see the huge queues of children, standing in social distanced lines, that's one way that we know it's working. And the parents actually coming up and telling the team on ground, saying that what, they also take interest, they also take a worksheet, they also want to solve it. So it shows that somewhere it's making a difference even to children and their parents. But we haven't been able to get their communication as deep as we
एक बार अगर वो कोशिश करेंगे तो शायद उन लोगों को, बच्चों को और ज़्यादा मोटिवेशन मिलेगा. So direct communication, because you are the people who are working on it. So let them know that these are the faces who are helping us.
Yeah,